All right, guys, so listen, this is a kind of update video of after the truck got started. So there's a lot of footage that I don't know what's gonna be coming out because I used a different camera. Long story short is I don't know what footage is bad, usable as of this moment. So I'm doing this video just kind of update you guys on the videos and what was happening. So a couple of things. I also want to say thank you to the 1,000 people who have subscribed. I don't know if you're all if you guys are watching this and you're newer to the channel. Thank you for hitting the subscribe button. You guys probably watch go-kart stuff will be starting up soon after I get more stable in life, hopefully in December. But other than that, listen, also those of you who have been around the channel and been watching the videos lately, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Really want to try to grow the channel to be something bigger than what it is. So, but thank you. So don't say thank you. Just one thing I just want to appreciate it. But other than that, what we've got, I've done the universals here. We did all the universals, but I don't know if the one video I did or said or not, but my father accidentally put one of these in backwards. Not backwards, it was just like a 90-degree off. So we had to just flip it around just so it would poke out right here, basically, so you can get the grease fitting in. Because these grease fittings aren't like universal. You can't just turn them. The way they are is the way they are, so you just gotta put it in right, and that's it. I do gotta move this thing out of the way, actually, because I'm actually doing another video, but I'm just doing this little update video just to get a video out tonight. The truck is running good now. There is one thing that it likes to hunt. It likes to go, which I'll show you guys right now. So let's get this thing started up because you guys already seen it start up. So the videos are already out. So for those of you, let's see. Let's get her on. I gotta get her started up anyways. At least I gotta move it. Let's see. Is she gonna say hunting? Oh, she's good, I think. Usually she starts like going rah, 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 all that kind of things. But I'm gonna let that warm up. Just gotta get the air built up into it and stuff like that, and I gotta move that thing, which you guys probably see moving in another video, or maybe I'll close this video, who knows. But yeah, so listen, the truck is doing good. We got oil in transmission now. We were missing 3 gallons of it out of 5, 4 to 5 gallons. Don't ask me how. Somebody leaked out when it fell over or whatever it's called. Other than that, only thing I gotta do left on it is just gonna be doing brake lights, and then after that we can take for a nice drive down to the shore. Reverse lights too. But other than that, like I said, this truck's pretty much ready to drive. That's pretty damn cool. And like I said, this truck has been it's been over a year since we've got this thing. The only thing I gotta figure out is the hunting thing, which does it every so often. I gotta figure out why. If it's an injector, air in a line, or I don't know. I'm waiting for a tool to come in so I can just read the codes, which I had the reader, I just don't have the right wire, so I'm waiting for the wire. But yeah, so I just want to give you guys a little update on this. I said things running good. Yeah, it's right there. Just running a little, whatever the hell that is, I have no idea. I guess I gotta figure out that. I gotta figure out that part, but without the scanner seeing live data, stuff like that, I won't really know. So, one thing about, I guess, Rango is, we're gonna do some fun things with Rango, I think. Like I said, I don't think Rango's a race next year. That's my plan. My plan is not to have a race next year. It is to actually have it, what do you call it? Replace Rango. Maybe have it race next year with someone else in the car. Like, have my father, a friend, or somebody. If I can get a 2-car trailer, 3-car trailer, I'd love to have someone else drive down it with me. It'd be fun to have someone else racing with me. So maybe that's the thing in the future. But as of right now, we're probably getting off the trailer. We're gonna go off-road at some places at some point in time. I'm not quite sure where exactly. Just to get winterized. Or maybe, I might want to take them out during winter time, but I'm not sure about that yet. So see how cool it's gonna be. But yeah, so Rango, we're gonna be replacing, so we gotta start looking for a Danger Ranger car. I'm gonna be making an oil furnace soon, an oil burner, because we have so much used oil and it's ridiculous. So I really need to find something to burn this oil, because I don't have enough time to freaking take it to AutoZone. So it's easier just to throw it in something, set a little flame, and be gone. At least that's my theory. So other than that, listen, it's just a quick video update, real quick. Truck is running still. We got a whole bunch of little things. Rest of the week, I'm going on a bachelor's trip, basically Wednesday night, basically, and I'm gonna try to get videos every single day, and I'm gonna try to like postpone them like throughout the week. And as well as hopefully into the beginning of next week. If not, maybe have to wait till like next video, like like next week wise won't probably start till like Wednesday, depending on content and stuff I get. But let's look for that. I know it's gonna be a little weird. I'm gonna try to do videos every single day during the week. That's my plan, or every other day, or at least Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays my days I hope to have videos out every week. So that's the plan for that. other than that, that's all I'm going with right now. So other than that, I'll close this video right here. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like down below, subscribe to the channel, do what it takes to follow your dreams, don't let anyone get in your way, stay maverick. I'll see you guys in the next one.